Hello everyone. Now it's story time. And in the previous video, we had learned the story about the kite that don't want to fly just because of fear. And at the end of the story, we had seen that he could fly higher and higher in the sky, and now he is not afraid of more. And I told all of you the answers of the questions that was given after the story. Now we will do this one that next point. Let's understand. All of us are afraid of doing something for the first time. See, everybody is afraid of such things that they are going to do for the first time. We are afraid that we are not clever enough and that others will laugh at us. We always feel that whatever we will do, it will not correct and everybody will laugh at us. Just because of that feeling, we are not doing anything among others. हमें ये लगता है कि हम जो भी करेंगे तो उसके ऊपर सब लोग हंसेंगे. Just because of that, we are not ready to do any new things among others, because we always afraid that we are not clever. Whatever we are doing, it will not happen good, or it can't be the right thing whatever the others want. It is quite possible. That is why we always afraid that if I can't do the thing, then others will laugh at us. How can we stop being afraid of doing something new? We can ask someone to show us how to do it. Then we can try and do it ourselves. We can do it again and again till we become good at it. Then we will enjoy it. We will not be afraid of it anymore. See, so if we afraid like this, we can't do anything new in our life. So how can we stop being afraid of? For that, what can we do? If we don't know how to do such things, that we should ask to someone that how can we do this? Whatever you want to do. For example, if you want to give a speech on any subject, you can ask to anybody that they will help you for the speech. Or else, if you want to dance, and if you don't know how to dance, you should ask to any of the person, either to your parents or your teachers, that if you want to dance in the program, so you should not afraid. Even though you don't know the dance, you should ask to anybody that they will teach you the steps for the dance. See, in the beginning, it is quite possible that you can't do it correctly or perfectly. But as you will practice for that dance, you can do the dance very nicely. So, we can ask someone to show us how to do it. You can ask anything, whatever you don't know, you just ask to anyone, those who know about that. Then we can try and do it ourselves. And then you have to keep on trying for the such thing that you want to do. And then if you will repeat that things, how to do it, you will become good at it. धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते करते आप वो वही चीज बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से कर पाएंगे. And then we will enjoy it. And after doing that very nicely or perfectly, you will be happy and you will enjoy to do that things. Okay, so that is why we should not afraid of being afraid of anything that you want to do, or whichever the things you are doing for the first time, you should never afraid of that. Now let's talk about this. How do you feel before a maths or a spelling test? Why are you afraid before a test. See, some subjects are there that it is quite possible that you are afraid of that things, especially for the maths. If you are doing the addition or the problem sums, you are afraid for that, or the tables even also, because you are not preparing the table, but suddenly whenever you have to do the sums using the tables, then what do you think? Oh, ये तो मेरा sum गलत ही होगा, because you had not prepared the tables. The same thing, problem sums. If you had practiced more and more sums, you can do it easily. So if you don't want to afraid for for the maths test, you should practice each and every day. The same way, the spelling test. You always, I think mostly most of the students, they are afraid of giving the spelling test. Why? Just because you are not reading or you are not practicing any English words daily. That is why you are afraid of giving such test. So it's better than afraid. You should practice for maths or English or any other thing. So there will be no need to afraid for this type of test. Then second one, what are the some of the things you are were afraid doing for the first time? Whenever you are afraid of such things, so which type of things were there, which experience you, that फ्रॉम विच थिंग्स यू आर अफ्रेड, ऐसी कौन सी बातें थी जिससे आप पहले डरते थे? जब आपने वो पहली बार किया था तब आपको डर लगता था, तो विच व्हाट आर सम ऑफ थिंग्स यू वर अफ्रेड? या तो अभी भी क्या आप उसी चीज से डर रहे हो जिससे पहले भी डरते थे? सो यू जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट एंड ट्राई टू डू that, not to afraid from such things. Then, do you know some more other words which have the same meanings as the word afraid? Now all of you understood the meaning of afraid. Afraid means किसी चीज से, किसी बात से डरना. Let's learn some new words. Now here are some more words. The similar word like afraid, we can say synonym words of afraid, that are frightened, scared and terrified. Now here, let's have fun. In this picture, you tick the things you are afraid of. मतलब यहाँ पर बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स दिए गए, उसमें से कौन सी चीज़ों से आपको डर लगता है वहाँ पर आपको टिक करना है. कंपेयर योर लिस्ट विथ दोज ऑफ अदर चिल्ड्रन इन योर क्लास. और फिर यहाँ सब टिक करने के बाद आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ यही जो आपने टिक किया है वो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हो. See, if you are afraid of maths, then tick here. The spider, tick here. Thunder and lightning, whenever it's raining, thunder and lightning were there. So at that time, are you afraid of these such things? Then you have to tick. If you don't, then cross it. Then high jump into the water or into the swimming pool. Do you afraid of this? A dog and a cockroach. From the which things you are afraid of, you have to tick the things here, and then afterward you have to compare this list with your friends. Okay, and make a list of your things you are afraid of, and talk about ways in which you can get over your fears. And then you have to make a list that which things you are afraid of, and just find out the way then how to get over your fears. Now, life skills. Tick which of these you can do to overcome your fears. Here are some things given. If you are afraid of such things, at that time what you want to do? टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ. अगर आप किसी चीज से डरते हो तो क्या आप ऐसे डीप ब्रीथ लेने से आपका फियर चला जाता है? और यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर पापा or talking to your grandparents. Okay, so which thing you want to do, just tick over here in the box. When you afraid of something, talk about it with someone, your mother, father, grandparents, big sister or brother. See, whenever you are afraid of such things, you should talk to your parents or elder sister or brother, so that you can गेट ओवर योर फियर्स. मतलब आप अपने डर से बाहर निकल सकते हो. यू कैन गेट ओवर योर फियर्स बाय टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स से या अपने बड़े भाई बहन से अपने डर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो आप वो डर में से जल्दी बाहर आ सकते. So I hope all of you understood about the afraid of such things. You should not afraid of anything, and whatever you are feeling, you should share your experience, your fear with your parents or elder brother or sister or grandparents. Then you can get over your fears by talking about them. So I hope all of you understood this, and please read the story from the storybook and keep reading. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.